Okay? As you're watching, these are the roads. We are trying to keep any tree that we can. Look at this. Amazing. Showing the ring roads as they are on the map. This is your place in Bulawayo. Look at this. This is the progress that we have. This is what we have gone through so far in Bulawayo. All the roads. This week we'll be going on the watering and sewer and other small work. So this is showing the ring roads, including the main road there. At your left, you can see the wall that is stretching. Look at that wall at your left side. So this is Bulawayo. We have gone through all the roads, all the road network that needed to be done. And we know the stands, and one can actually go and stand on their stand now. So look at this. With that terrain that we are aware of, we did very well in Bulawayo to develop such roads as you are viewing. As you know, land development is 60% cost of the land. So in other words, we've covered 60% right now of the land, showing the roads there. We are going to tar the roads after the construction. We don't start by tarring, because tar is a finishing. You would want it to have a nice look, a nice finishing look. At your right side is the main road that starts from the gate to the other gate. Those other roads that are going to the left are small roads to connect houses, which are on different places. So that one can drive out nicely. So the road has reached the other main road. Oh, look at that. All those roads which has been done. To me, it's exciting. It is showing progress. It is showing that you are moving on a correct direction. Now we are going to place our culvert pipes. We are also going to place our water lines and also start to place some lawn, trying to beautify the place, to show that we are going somewhere with the production in Bulawayo.
So how many housing stands can be found on this particular piece of land?
We are going to accommodate 1,530 houses. 1,530 houses. 1,530 houses in Bulawayo.
Is it a low density, medium density?
This is a medium density to low density. There are some stands which are low, but medium. This is not a high density. This is a medium density. And one thing that I know, what we're going to place there, it has never happened anywhere in Zimbabwe. And I'm proudly saying that because look at that. This is what you have gone through. Did you know? And you can go to Bulawayo to view this. It's there on the ground. That's how amazing it will be looking. Houses will be now, as we are showing you stages, houses now will be placed on those gaps that you see. One can actually have their house, they can drive out, they can use any road, and they can go anywhere. So that is a car that is parked there. That is to show you the size of the road, that there are enough clearance. They have been approved by the ministries which approve all these structures. We are not using something from our own head, or all ministries or regulators that are supposed to approve this, they have approved. This is a very important stage. This is one of a small dam that is within our stand, small pond. We are going to place a wedding venue there near the pond. There's going to be a wedding venue, which personally I'm going to monitor its creation so that at least weddings can happen in the same place. Remember, there are schools. Remember, there are hospitals. Look at the size of a person that is walking there. You see, this is the grader moving, clearing the other side. Look at the size of the grader, the size of the road. It can tell you that the roads are wide enough for any movement of any truck, any size. And our architects, our professional town planners are always at site, looking at the production and whatever is happening, monitoring everything. So the drone is the one that is flying on top there, showcasing. That is our water pond as well, that you are seeing there. Remember, in Bulawayo, we have the main water source which runs through the whole stand. So the water issue is already solved in Bulawayo. I am not allowing anyone to go and place their 2 rooms or their shaki. No, allow me, trust me as you have done. I have done very well so far. So I want to finish as much as I have done. Look at the wall. The wall is on 80% complete. We are still, we've not yet painted it or curved it on the top there, just because I want the finishing. I want to monitor the finishing myself. Some marble cladding are coming as well. So look at the wall.
I just wanted to ask on that part, are you going to put a lawn there?
Yes, there's going to be a lawn. There are going to be water features. There are going to be an amazing look. We have used millions so far to reach where we are, because the program is not for profit, but it's for redemption. Also, I've always said to say thank you to my partners who have stood with us. Look at the wall. I've never seen such a huge wall anywhere in Zimbabwe. I can safely say we have the largest wall in Zimbabwe, in terms of, the longest in terms of length. So our IT guys are just showcasing you and showing you what we have in Bulawayo. It's unfortunate that some people in Bulawayo are not taking me serious. Only 200 or 300 people have finished to secure their stand. Other thousands